welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video should be System Test 27, I believe. So, all the pull stations, smoke detector, all that stuff's the same. The panel's obviously the same. Batteries are all the same, but yeah. But if you're new to the channel, this, here's the system. So, we have, well, first of all, we'll start off with the panel, Potter PFC 6006 sprinkler panel, 1 NAC 6 zone. Nice panel, I really like it, but I only use 2 zones on it, so. Anyway, so we have the Kidde 278B. We have the System Sensor 2951, the Exceeder remote horn with the fire and flag custom lettering on it. We have the L series remote strobe, 15 candela. And in the guest bedroom, the same exact setup as last video, the basically Wheelock Exceeder Genesis, GE Smoke and Heat, and the Firelight BG12. We have the 425120, the Gentex SHG, which you haven't seen in a little bit, the RSS, and I just took the wet cover and put it on here, and the same Genesis in the closet. So, let's pull the system. So, don't pull fire alarms from your buildings, don't do all that. So, yeah, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. You'd think they'd sync up, but no, not really. Alright, let's do the 278B. Alright, so now let's go to the final pull station, but not the final initiation device we're going to be using. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so here we have the magnet, so we're going to magnet test it. 3, 2, 1. So I think that's everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah. Stay tuned, for tomorrow's video. I have no idea what it's going to be, but we'll figure it out. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace.